Hi beautiful, today I'm going to show you how to drape a silk saree perfectly. Now before I start the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This saree I got from I Love Sarees, a beautiful silk saree, and to start with you need a petticoat, a mermaid cut petticoat which I also got from I Love Sarees. Now let's begin. I'll start tucking it in from this side. And I will keep tuck it in until the remaining fabric is coming to this side. Now I'll leave a handful of fabric for the front pleats. Okay, now you need to gather this up. For the pallu, it's easy to handle, and you place it on your shoulder. Okay. Now you keep the length till the knee, because the bigger the pallu is, the more taller you will look. Now here's the trick. Okay. The trick is you take as far as your hand goes, the curve you can see, right, the corner, and then here you start making the pleats. Okay. And after making the pleats, you need to pull it up, okay, and tuck it in here. This is kind of my favorite trick to do the hip pleats. You see the pleats, right? Okay. Now for the front pleats, let me tell you one thing. For silk sarees, the bigger the pleats you will keep, the more neat it will be. Okay. So you need to tuck it in on the right side of your navel. You see the length? Yes. Make a fold here, tuck it in on the side itself. Okay, now let's gather up our pallu, fix it. So I like to keep it open, like an open pallu thing. And for this, what I need to know, or like I need to do is, I need to make pleats here. Okay, and here you need to make like secure these pleats with a pin. You take the pin and pin it here. So you pin it here. Now take another pin and pin it. This is how you will drape a silk saree perfectly. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such contents like this. And if you want me to cover any such saree related topics, don't forget to put it in the comment box so that we will come up with that next time. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you again soon.